How to open a bank account on Goldman Sachs Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a Goldman Sachs Bank account. So to do that, first of all, go to the Goldman Sachs app and simply tap on the option open an account. After that, you'll have to choose your account type. So it can be Marcus, online savings account, CD, certificate of deposit, personal loans, investment accounts, etc. Simply choose the one which you'd like to open and then tap on the option get started. After that, you'll have to enter details such as your first name, last name, date of birth, and your social security number. Again, tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to verify your identity to protect your account. So you'll have to fill out all of these over here. So you can either choose your driver's license or your state ID. After that, your social security number, and finally, you'll have to verify your mobile number. Now once you've verified all of these, you'll have to create your login credentials such as your user ID and the password of your account. Tap on the option continue. And once you review and submit your information, you will have successfully opened a bank account in Goldman Sachs. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.